Top 3 Chrome extensions that will blow your mind. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 Chrome extensions that will completely blow your mind and change the way you use your browser. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First up, Tactique. This extension automatically transcribes your Google Meet calls in real time. Imagine taking notes without typing a single word. It highlights key points, generates summaries, and even integrates with Notion and Google Docs. Perfect for students, professionals, and remote workers. Next is Scribe, a game changer for tutorials. Just hit record, and Scribe creates a step-by-step guide with screenshots of everything you do on screen. Whether you're teaching someone how to use software or documenting processes for your team, this saves hours. Last, we've got Liner, your personal web highlighter. You can highlight text on websites and PDFs, organize them, and even discover other people's highlights. It's like turning the whole internet into your personal study book. Researching online has never been easier. That's all for the video. These are the top 3 Chrome extensions. Make sure to try these out and let me know which one blew your mind the most.